As a business owner or entrepreneur, what should your first book be about? Let's find out. I'm Chris O'Byrne, owner, director of publishing for Strategic Advisor Board and Rogue Publishing Partners. I'm also the owner and CEO of JetLaunch Publishing. Now, there are two main types of books that you should focus on writing. One of them is a lead gen book, and the other is the authority book. I've talked about this before. I say that you should start with a lead gen book and a broad topic. Now, let's say that you have a marketing agency and you focus on e-com businesses and providing them with web design, Facebook ads, and branding. So, three main focuses for the e-com business. Your first book should be about the importance of marketing in general for the e-com business, how it's going to grow your e-com business. And then you're going to focus on all of those topics, those things that you provide. So the web design, the branding, the Facebook ads, it's going to be broad. You're not going to get real niche on those. Your second, third, and fourth books will be the niche topics, where one will be just focusing on web design for ecom businesses or branding for ecom businesses and how that's going to help you grow your business and be successful with what you're doing. And remember, this isn't a lot of work. These are all lead gen books, so they're small, they're easy to make. And you can find people like JetLaunch Publishing who will help you design, write, create those books. You don't even have to do really almost any of that work yourself if you don't want to. But they're all going to be relatively small and they're going to be very useful for delivering to prospects, putting up on Amazon, just establishing your expertise in these areas. So, even though these books will be on Amazon, primarily these are books that you're going to be giving out directly to your prospects. So you're going to have control over who receives them, in addition to leveraging all the benefits of Amazon and having your book up there. Now, thank you for watching. Hope that this was helpful to you in your business. If you need any help applying these concepts, just click on the link in the description. We'd be glad to help you. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel so that you can get valuable daily updates to help you grow your business.